Hi guys, it's Micah. Today I'm back with the 24 weeks of Christmas cards 2020. It's number 10 and here's the card that I made. A window shaker shaped card thingy. Anyway, I already die cut it. It's from my favorite things. It's called Christmas Tree Window. And I actually die cut it from some scraps. So on the back you will see I messed up some stamping. So don't pay attention to that. And also cut it a little bit smaller, about a centimeter on one side. Actually, it's now 14 by 9.5. And I'm stamping the sentiment for also my favorite things. It's Bitty Holiday Wishes. And I'm doing it now because when you mount it with foam and stuff, you forget. Yeah, do it first. And I was looking if there was something with a tree. I didn't see it quickly. But yeah, I just went for Merry Christmas. I'm not a person to say have a blessed Christmas or Christmas blessing. Yeah, that's not me. Winter wishes would have been nice as well. But yeah, I went with Merry Christmas because that's okay, I guess. And I'm using Versamagic Clear Nocturne ink, of course. Making sure it's in the corner. It has to be in the corner, straight, and in the middle. So yeah, there's quite a few things to pay attention to. So it's already week 10, can you believe it? I still have 14 to go, of course, but it's creeping closer to Christmas. I don't mind. We have a heat wave at the moment, so you know, a bit of coolness from autumn would be nice. We'll see. And here you can see the messed up stamping that I did. I didn't put it in the corner, so when I restamped it, it shifted. And yeah, using my toothbrush, trying to get the strangly bits off. But this is a very dainty Christmas tree. And I'm building up my shaker pouch with foam, craft foam, and this is a white sheet that is the card size, but of course I made the pen a little bit smaller, so I'm just tracing it, and also where my tree is. And it's nice, it's white. I made for a whole white card. I thought that was nice and stylish. So I'm cutting it smaller. You can do this with scissors, but you can also do it with your craft knife. And I'm cutting it a little bit inside the line, just so if I have something peeking out, which I did, because I didn't put it straight, I think. But that's why I'm making it a little bit smaller. Just a millimeter, doesn't matter. You can also actually do it with your, if you have a rotary cutter, it will probably go as well. I'm not sure about the guillotine, I haven't tried that yet. And I'm cutting, well, I'll say about 1/4 of an inch or 5 millimeters around the lines. So you can't see the foam, but there's not a lot of wasted space that you have to fill up with sequins or glitter. And I'm actually using nail art star sequins thingies. I got them at my local, do I say that, drugstore. I'll buy all my nail art stuff there. See. Now to attach it, of course, we have to put a window in, which I'm just using some acetate scraps that I have here. And this one was a nice size, but there's a few scratches on it, so I ended up trashing that one. I think there was some packaging that I tried to reuse. And yeah, not worky. And double-sided tape, of course, you can use tape rudder if yours is really strong. But yeah, I'm never sure. This is a bit of a hassle, but you know, you don't want your glitters to go everywhere or your sequins. See, this is when I noticed there's scratches, so I'm just switching it. Probably should have cut this out, but you will notice that the size is different. So I'm also putting a little bit of liquid glue on these, well, what are the ornaments and the lines. I don't know what they are. Yeah, sorry, but I'm just putting glue on it just so they stick better to the acetate. Just little dots so they don't squeeze out. So on top of here I have to put my foam. I can't remember which was the right side. It doesn't matter much, but just make sure that you can't see it, of course. And then if anything sticks out, because like me, you might have put it a little bit crooked, you can just cut it off. And it's just like a sliver there. And maybe I didn't cut it small enough, I don't know, but it's okay. I fixed it. That's it, simple. And then I thought I have this little bit of foam that I cut off. Maybe I can make the smallest compartment over there. And it's it's not as wide as the opening that I made, but that's okay, because I'm going to put bigger stars in there. And at this moment I had a few ideas about making maybe the tree green with my lid. I will say shaker lid closure flap. But I thought no, I kind of like it white. And I pulled out a few colors of rhinestones and sequins and glitter. But with the green tree, I didn't fancy the purple very much actually. I like purple, but yeah. And then white, of course, if you use a white backing and you use white, whatever, iridescent, holographic kind of stars, so they have a little bit of a sheen in there. It will be a bit boring, so I went for the nail art ones that are probably also available at the glitter section of your craft store. That yeah, I have never seen them, but see, the green is nice if you don't fill it. I think that would be really cool. Or maybe if you use gold, and I didn't think of that, but I use gold stars on the top. I went to look for a scrap of white. See the purple? There's really small ones in there. They would work, but you have to turn them all the right way, face them. No. And this is tiny diamonds. But I went for these, and I'm pointing at my nails. I'm not sure how you're gonna use these on your nails, because I think that's like a wholesale supply amount for nail salons. But yeah, anyway, I'm not questioning that. I think they were €1 or something like that. It's now that I made the compartment, I thought I can put other stars in there, and I pulled out a few things as well, but yeah, they don't match. And gold is star shaped as well, just like the small ones. They're just bigger. So even if the compartment is not closed completely, they won't sink to the bottom. I can of course leave it as one, but I thought I would make a nice the Christmas tree topper in a different color. I already took out the double-sided release paper, so it's very sticky, and some of my glitter stuck. And just pull it off and then put the backing. That way you have your shaker bit enclosed and it can't go anywhere. And if you put it on your card base, it's a little bit easier, in my opinion anyway. You just make it secure those so they don't go everywhere. But there it is. Make sure it's straight, because it's very clean and simple, and you can see everything on there. Of course, it has to be pretty. See, there's the gold. They're just almost the same size actually as that little star, but they still move around. I don't have any others. So that's my card for today. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!